This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, let's get started. So today we will see how to deploy application through SCCM using PowerShell. Okay. Uh,
Yeah.
have you deployed application using PowerShell? Uh, you know, to create and deploy everything through PowerShell in SCCM.
No questions.
Okay. So let me just show you this one. I hope you can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So first thing first, I'm gonna download an application. So I'll go to google.com, www.google.com. Okay, so I'm gonna download one application called Remote Desktop Connection Manager. Okay, and I'll go down and choose this one, download Remote Desktop Connection Manager 2.7, and click on this download, and then I'm gonna save this. And open folder. So this is the application which we just downloaded. I'm gonna copy this and go to C drive and create one folder here called, let's say the folder name is gonna be source, and we have to share this folder with everyone so that it's a shared path, not a local path.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Yeah.
And we need to create another folder, let's say remote desktop connection manager, and inside that I'm going to paste that file. So the name of the file is rdcman.msi. This is an MSI application, and suppose if you get a requirement to deploy this MSI application to all the computers or in available or required mode, whatever it is. So how do we go about it? As you already know, the deployment of application basically happens, you go to the console, SCCM console, and then you right click and choose create application, right?
Yes.
That's the first thing you do. The second thing what you do, after you uploading SCC application into the console, you customize it. You give the install command, uninstall command, the detection method, and the icon and everything. You customize the application. So the requirement, suppose the requirement is that it has to be installed only for a particular OU in Active Directory. It has to install only on certain computers, right? So those customization you do. And then point number 3, what you do, you distribute
Package. Application.
to, yeah, to distribution point, right?
Yes.
And the point number 4, then you deploy
Good.
to either available mode or required mode. Now all these tasks can be automated using PowerShell. So you don't have to use the GUI, you know,
Mm-hmm.
GUI is not required. We will do PowerShell. We just have to give all these commands in PowerShell, and we'll do create application, customize, distribute to DP, deploy, everything in one go. it won't take, when I run this, it will hardly take 30 seconds to perform all these tasks. Got it?
Okay.
So it's PowerShell is to make your life easier. Suppose you have to deploy application on daily basis, right? And say you have to do all these tasks from GUI. So instead of doing through GUI, you can do using PowerShell. So I'm gonna take you to my PowerShell. Let me just save this. I think I have already copied it here. Okay, let me just close this PowerShell. Now to launch PowerShell, you need to go to this one. Either connect via PowerShell or connect via PowerShell ICE. You can choose this anything of your choice. I'm gonna choose this connect via PowerShell, Windows PowerShell ICE. And you see down at the bottom it is saying PS C:/Windows/System32. So it is connected to C drive of this computer. I don't want to connect to the C drive. I want to connect to my site code, the SCCM site code, that is P01 here. So I'm going to click on this run, and that's going to connect me to the site code. It's connected to PS P01. Got it?
So we need to select that one and run.
No, we don't have to select anything. Just click on run. That's it.
Just run. Okay.
Okay. Let me show you again. I think I confused you. Let me just go to blue ribbon and go connect via Windows PowerShell ICE, and then click on play. Run. Yeah, and it is now connected to P01. Whatever the site code you have, it will connect to that particular site code. Okay. Now we need to open a new tab here, and I have already copied a PowerShell script. Let me just copy and paste it here. I'll show you step by step, explain that to you what we have written here. Now in this PowerShell script, there are 5 things. So I'll explain that to you one by one, what all things are present in PowerShell. So the first in the PowerShell, the structure of PowerShell, the first thing is we are defining variables. Got it?
Okay.
So that we can use those variables in the script. So we will be modifying the variables only, nothing else. Okay. Then the second task is we are creating application. So using this command, there is the command to create application in SCCM console. The third thing is customization. Fourth one is distribution. Okay. And the fifth one is deployment. All these 5 tasks are happening through that PowerShell script. Got it?
Okay.
Now, so variable is very much useful, and it will make your life easier, because you just have to define the variable here and you can call all these variables below. Okay. So you basically, we are changing the variable only. We have to change the variable only. That's it. And we don't have to change anything in the below section. Understood?
Okay.
Now, what's the name of the application? I'll just verify whether this application already present or not. I think it is already present. Let me just go to application, and remote desktop connection manager is already there. Okay. Let me just delete this. Okay. We don't want to, duplicate the application here. Got it? That's good. Now, so what is the name of the application
RDP
which we downloaded?
Yes.
That is remote desktop connection Manager 2.7. Okay, then we have to enter the version, so 2.7, whatever it is. Okay, then the publisher, who is the publisher? Microsoft.
Microsoft.
Description. Now description is, this application is for taking remote of devices. We can give anything of our choice, the description, and then the location where this file is located. So we have to give the location. The file is located in //con-cm01. That's the name of the computer, and then source, and then rdcm, and the file name is what? Okay,
Okay.
copy and put the file here in the location. Now the device collection, where will you have to, where you need to deploy? So let's say I'm going to deploy to all systems. You have to give this collection name. Okay.
Yeah.
Icon. So let's download one icon so that it will look a little good in the user's computer. So our remote desktop connection manager icon. Image, which icon? I'm gonna take this icon. Okay, right click and choose save picture as. Let's go to desktop and create one folder here on the desktop. Let's say icon, and inside that RDP, and click on save. Okay.
Okay.
Now the icon, let me just delete this and type in C:\users. It has IntelliSense as well. You see, it is coming to choose. You can choose your folder. So I'm going to choose my folder user, and then /administrator contoso /
Kashif, can you wait for 2 minutes? I am getting call. 2 minutes.
there, Rafi.
Yes, Kashif, 1 minute.
Okay.
Sorry, Kashif.
No worries.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have to give the icon location. So the location where the icon is present. Got it? So this
Yeah.
is the location on the desktop. We have kept the icon. Okay. Now we need to distribute it to the distribution point. So I have only one distribution point, not DP2. If you have multiple distribution point, you can add multiple distribution point here. So let me just type in DP1, and my distribution point server name is what?
DP name.
con-cm01.contoso.com. Okay, how much minute remaining? 24 minutes. Okay, fine. So the name of the computer where the distribution point is located. You see
Okay.
con-cm01 contoso.com. Okay, that's my
So
computer
we
name.
need to give full FQDN name.
Right, right.
Okay.
Distribution point. Now the command line. So install
For
command,
example,
MSI exec.
yeah, 1 minute. We need to add one more DP. What we need to add is there and command, yeah, comma.
One more DP. You do
Ah,
it for distribution point group, then you can group a distribution point, multiple DP, like
so we need to
DP2.
add another column. Okay, okay,
Yeah, DP2, and give the DP2 server name. Okay.
okay, Kash. Okay,
Or you can create a distribution point group, and you can
okay,
distribute to that group, and whatever the distribution points are there in that group will be distributed on those distribution points. Now install
okay.
command. So as you know, the install command of MSI exec /i,
Mm.
and now the file which we have downloaded, the file name, that is rdcman.msi. So copy and put it here. Got it?
Yes,
Quite no restart, and instead of m remote, I'll say rdcm install the log file. Okay, and uninstall command is rdcm uninstall. Okay, everything will
yes,
remain the same, because installation is I/i and /x for uninstallation.
yes,
Now below we don't have to change anything, except if you have to change, you can change it. Now you have to define the variable. We have given the variables, and now below we will be calling the variable. So point number 1 is create the application. Okay, so
mm.
we are using this command line cm new CM config manager application, and the name of the application we are calling from the variable, whatever the name we have given for this, the value of this one. Okay,
Mm.
description, whatever the description we have given up, publisher, whatever the publisher we have given up, version, icon. So all verbose means display on the screen what is going on. We would like to see the status, you know, to monitor what is going on when we run the script. Got it? So that's the new application, create new application. The second one is we have to add deployment. So add CM MSI deployment, because it is an MSI application. Application name, app name, content location, the location which we have downloaded the application, where we have kept the file. Then install behavior, install for system, or you can choose install for user. You can change it. Okay. Then install
User base,
command.
yeah, application base.
Hmm?
Okay. User
Yeah,
base, application base, we can change.
yeah, right. Install command, whatever the install command, the variable we have given on the top, we are calling that one. Then uninstall command, so whatever the thing we have given on the top, that is being called. Then deployment name, app name, the name of the deployment type, that will be app name, and the forceful do it, sometime, when you add the application, it gives you that publisher not
Required.
verified or something.
Uh,
No. Publisher not verified error you get, right?
yes, yes.
Yeah, those it will forcefully do it. Don't give me that warning
Error
message.
messages. Okay.
Yeah, and verbose means to see the to get the status on the screen. Then the third
Status.
thing is distribute the content to the distribution point. I have only one distribution point, so I'm just removing the below one. There are two distribution point in this script, so I just remove that one. So I'm going to distribute start CM content distribution, application name, whatever the application we want to distribute, and to which distribution point, to DP01, and verbose, that means show me the output on the screen. Got it?
Yeah.
Now the last thing is deployment. So first create the application, second customize, third distribute, and the last is deploy. So we have to deploy the application in available mode or required mode. So I'm gonna use CM application deployment collection name. Where would you like to deploy the collection, which we have given on the top, that is all system, and the name of the application, and deploy action either install or uninstall. If you want to uninstall, you can choose uninstall here. Okay. Deploy purpose, if you would like to deploy required or available. Got it? You change the option here, and it has IntelliSense. Suppose if I delete this and space, it will give you the option like this. You can choose which one if you want to deploy. Got it?
Yes.
So I'm going to choose available, and user notification, display all, give the information to the user what is going on. And then when would you like to deploy? Suppose if you want to
Schedule.
deploy right now, then so get date is what? The current
Get
date and time.
scheduled. Okay.
Current
Get
date and
date.
time. So yeah,
Mm.
so it is 10:33, 7:33. So whatever the current time is there, you deploy right now. And time based, either local time or UTC. So suppose if you want to do it UTC, just delete this. You see, UTC and local time, it is giving you that option.
Mm.
I'm going to choose local time, and verbose, that means give me output on the screen. Okay.
So can I
If you
make
wanna,
schedule time? What need
yes,
to
if you
comment
wanna,
there?
yeah, if you wanna do the schedule, then you will have to give the uh, date, DD, MM, YY, and then time.
DTMM YY.
I'll,
Okay.
if you want, I can give you the exact format later on. Okay.
Okay. And we need
Got
to
it?
give two times, right? Like available time and required time.
No.
In
If
application, we are giving, right, available on this time and should be installed after this time, like that.
yeah, but it is available time.
It is only available time. Okay.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. Then once you save, once you make the changes here, you just have to click on File, and I'm gonna save this on the desktop, for example. Desktop, yeah, where is desktop, and the name of the application is RDCM save. Okay.
Mm.
And once you're done, you don't have to do anything. You just have to click on yeah, I'm gonna start the timer now, the stopwatch. You will see that it is going to be deployed, do all these tasks in few seconds. So stopwatch, do we have stopwatch there? Stop. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna click on play and come here and click on play here. You see it's verbose. You see verbose output is coming because we had given verbose. Done. You see within 28 seconds everything is done, whatever we had to do. So that will make your life easier. So if you go back to SCCM console, you should be able to see that application coming in here. You see remote desktop connection manager, this one, and that is already distributed.
And
You see
deployed also.
distributed, yes, and deployed as well. Okay, to the collections in available mode. So if you want to see that how it comes in computers, you can go to any computer. I'm going to go to my Windows 10 computer. And bring the policy here. Either you wait for 5 minutes. Okay. And since we have deployed in available mode, right? So that will come in Software Center. You see new software available. And right here. If you want to install that, you just click on install and that's it. Got it?
Yeah, Kashyap.
And that got installed. Now the same script, if you would like to use for required purpose, you can change that so that is deployed already. Now suppose if this is you don't want to make it available, now you want to deploy it in required mode. So application is already there, right? We don't have to add a new application. Got it? So we say hello.
Yes,
You
yes.
there,
Yeah, Kashyap.
Rafi?
Hello. Yeah, yes, Kashyap.
Okay,
Yes,
you can,
Kashyap.
right?
Yes.
Okay.
You hear me? Hello, are you audible?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Yeah.
I can hear you now. So you see, suppose if you have to deploy in required mode, so what you are going to do, you put hash in front of the line so that this script is like a comment now. It is not a script, it is comment. Got it? Another hash because we already have this added. Understood?
Means hash means that that line will not be work.
Right. That will not work. That will act as a comment. Got it?
Okay.
Now we have to make it, let's say, instead of available, I'm gonna do required. Sorry. Why I'm choosing available again? Okay. And save. We have to save this and then has already been deployed. Oh, it is already deployed on that collection. So we'll have to choose a new, different collection. Okay. Suppose there is, I have to deploy this on which collection? All desktop and server client. Got it?
Okay.
So I'm going to copy that and I'll go up on the top and give the collection name properly. Understood?
Yes.
That's it. You see, it is now deployed in required mode. So if I go to DC, because DC is also a member of that collection, you should be able to see the remote desktop connection manager is getting installed here in required mode. Control. I will share this script with you, okay? So you can try at your end. Is it helpful?
Yes, Kashif, it is very helpful to me.
So what is the profile you are working on right now?
It is a system admin profile, Kashif. Here we have cache primary servers
Hmm.
in
Hmm.
overall 3 regions. So 3 cache
Hmm.
servers, 3 primaries, like that, all are available mode. Always on is there. So I need
Okay.
to maintain those all things.
Okay.
I am from BU team. Implementation
Oh,
team is done, and I need to make changes required. Anything that is in progress. So I have
okay.
some challenges regarding which to configure SCOM alerts, which services need to be very important, which is not important. I need to be give some suggestion to my management.
Okay.
Yeah.
Understood.
Yes. And
Okay.
I need to handle applications patching, this task sequence imaging.
Okay.
Yeah.
Understood. So did my training help you a lot, or you
Yes, yes,
you are?
Kashif. I came here for because of your training only. Normally, I have only 2 years experience, to be frank. But
Mm-hmm.
now I am working as a
As
L4,
L4
L3, L3 and L4 one, L4 one.
right, right.
Uh,
That means
because of this training.
you are
Yeah.
working with the people who have like 10 years of experience.
Yes. Yes. But I am facing some more challenges. But I am working hard to
Mm-hmm.
get into those things,
Sure, sure.
because
You will
they
definitely
have
get, yeah.
10 years, 7 years experience, but I have only 2 years experience. You know that very well,
Right,
right?
right. I know. That's how we learn. Okay. It's good that you
Yes.
got this opportunity and you are learning. Very good.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So you see this RDP got installed successfully. So that's how we do it through PowerShell. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna share this script with you so that you can also try at your end.
Yeah, Kash. Can, can
Okay.
we,
Yeah.
yeah, can
Hmm.
you send me the list of some services regarding SQL, SCCM SQL, yeah,
Okay.
SCCM part, to monitor SCOM?
Monitor through SCOM, right?
Yes, yes. For
Okay.
any service, important services like that. If you have any docs, can you share me so that will be
Just
help?
I'll share you. I'll let you know right away. So the important services, all SCCM SMS related services. If you
Yes.
have multiple servers like primary side, secondary side, so you
CAS.
have to, yeah. So in all those servers, you have to monitor anything which is SMS related services.
Mm.
You see, SMS side VSS writer, SMS side SQL backup, SMS side component manager. Side backup is fine. If it is not running, that's okay. Don't take this into SCOM. Otherwise, it will be create problem because it
I
does
will
not
make
run
it. This is
automatically.
a not critical one.
Yeah, not critical, because this will run only during the backup time. It won't run all the time.
Okay.
Okay. Then notification server, then execution, SMS executive and SMS agent host. Correct?
Yeah.
So these are the SCCM related services. So you have to monitor this on SCCM primary side and distribution point server, secondary side, all the SMS related services. Correct?
Yeah.
Now on database server, you have to monitor these things: SQL VSS writer,
Mm-hmm.
SQL server reporting services. You can take the screenshot, and SQL server CEIP service.
Mm.
Okay, browser is okay. If it is not running, that's okay. We also need to make sure this is running. SQL server agent, say, MS SQL server. This is not running here, but make sure this is running. And the last one, see, this is the main one. If this is gone, then if this is not running, nothing will happen.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. There is the configured management point management pack, which has 2,800 services enabled for SCCM.
Okay.
I don't know and why those many services are there. I need to customize
Mm,
those services and view at least 200 like that.
okay. Yeah. So remove the extra ones. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye, bye, Kashif. Thank
Bye.
you.